What's up guys, new video is here and today we are baking some sawdust. So welcome to the new video. I just want to show you the process of making charcoal but in this heating boiler. Yeah, let me show you how I do it. So usually in the winter when this boiler is working and it's heating the house, I'm not wasting wood to start up a fire outside. I just use this opportunity to cook my charcoal. So this time I have sawdust, it's mixed up wood. Not very suitable for all sorts of fireworks, but it will do. So this is my cooker, you can see the video here about it, and I've already filled it up with the sawdust to the top. Of course I have wires. This is just basically a pot, cooking pot. So I have wires which hold the pot cover and there are holes. So that's the setup. So because I don't have my camera holder, I will do it like this. I won't be showing how I filled it up, it's obvious. And now I just need to tighten this wire here. There is a hole, and connect those, and it's ready to be in the fire, and I will show you when I throw it in fire. Let's do it. So the pot is ready, and if you see any mud on this, you will see why I do that and why there is mud on top. It's dry now, but you will see the purpose of it. Let's get the fire going really good and then throw it inside. So here goes the pot. Just like that. Maybe some more woods. Get it going around the pot, and that's it. Now we wait. There's the pot. It's really hot and it runs. Now I have here thick mud, which I will use to close up every hole so the oxygen cannot go inside and burn my charcoal. So that's basically it. Now I just leave it outside to cool off and then use the charcoal from inside. So here is the pot. It has cooled down from yesterday. It is outside and it was windy. I need to open this up. So there's the mud and it's dry now. I just need to untwist this wire. When they get destroyed like this, wires, I'm talking about wires, I just replace them because the heat destroys them, as you can see here. Clean it up so the mud doesn't get in my charcoal, at least not as much. And then I just dump it in something like this. Sometimes it happens if I take it out too early from the boiler, it doesn't get finished. This time that's not the case. So here it is. Then I ball mill this and I will show you how it looks like after that. So that's cooked sawdust and this is how it looks like after ball milling. As you can see, it's pretty fine. Perfect for long tails and stars. So that, after milling, turns out in this. Also here's a burn test. This is fine one. This is larger particles. It can go like that for a very long time. So this is not ball milled. So this is like black powder granulation. There is much more oxygen between the particles, and this one is more packed, so it burns into the blob like that. So both of them are still going. That's it. That was the process. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.